questions.
I
Go,
don't
Meron. Go.
Ask me, anything.
Okay. Hi. Is there a chance for GAP to, what do you call that, since, this is just like my personal opinion, since this is an Asian Championships, so kasi meron pong mga WNCAA na cheerleading, something like that, may aerobics part din, di ba? So, meron pang chance na mag-open tryouts tayo, in not this, for future tournaments, para yung maselect talaga natin yung the best to represent the country in Asian level or maybe world level competitions.
For what is it?
Something like that, sir. Ay, ma'am pala. Something like that, like yung, kasi yung national team natin, although na-select na natin not for this tournament, for future tournaments, so we can select the best. Kasi meron siyang mga liga na meron talaga silang magagaling na pwedeng mapasok sa national team.
Yes, we always have qualification. We national ranking qualification all the time. So we do that. Thank you. Even the United States, the Filipinos there, they want to be part of our team now. Yes, gymnastics is becoming famous.
Next question.
Good morning. Mahmoud, sabi mo nga kanina you're an aerobics instructor. So yes, would you consider performing an aerobics during the tournament?
The opening.
I did that in Malacanang, would you believe? I made an opening thing, they were so shocked.
So would you consider performing?
I might break my leg.
Thank you.
Any special presentation sa opening or closing? Ano po mga hinahandang presentation? Special presentation sa opening? Musical presentation or
We
show?
will showcase po cultural presentation.
Cultural.
Dancers po ng Tagaytay.
Tagaytay.
Promise naman na sa amin ni Sir Maboy. Yes, and we had a very good director naman. Actually, si pala niya, LGU.
Main director.
So, yun, meron po silang mga magagandang pasabog. So, I'll take this opportunity. Lahat po kayo, mga sa media, our friends in media, si Ms. Ron po will send out the Google Sheet for you to fill up your name para mabigyan namin kayo ng
Media accreditation.
media accreditation. And hopefully, the PSC, sino na ba PSC dito?
Si Rox.
So, mabigyan tayo ng bus na magdadala sa inyo sa Tagaytay. Kasi yung bus po namin na magdadala sa athletes namin will leave here August 3. Of course, that's for the athletes. Pero naman kayo po, you will cover the opening and the entire competition. We will request with PSC po kung pwedeng mabigyan tayo ng transpo going to Tagaytay. Hindi ba din tayo?
May accommodation.
Pero ang accommodation kasi parang hindi ko yan masasagot.
Ayun. Dadalhin nyo doon. Tapos bahala.
Hindi pa baba, pero ang accommodation ko talaga
Ay,
basta
yata yan. Ron. Si Ron ang bahala dyan. Ron
pwede
ha?
po siguro kami.
Sige. How about ano po? Any TV coverage or may live po ba ito?
May live streaming ba?
May live streaming ba?
Ang live
Anong
streaming
page?
po ay we will be utilizing po yung AGU 360. Meron na po kasi sila. So since the event is
AGU
owned
na.
by AGU, meron po sila. But unlike yung previous namin na we have partnership with Signal. So this time po, open po for everyone to cover the event.
Okay. Pwedeng mag-video na
Except
yung-
for the live streaming
Yes.
kay AGU.
Mga clips, reels, pwede na for...
I think yung live streaming, open lang pwede dito sa Philippines, but for other countries, nakalock po yun, hindi tayo pwede live stream.
Okay.
And then in the opening of our Junior World Championship, we got more involved. Of course, Derek Ramsey was our MC, and then what's his name? Our singer was Arnel Pineda. Oh yeah, he sang the song, and it was a fantastic opening. but we also spend a lot of money. Now we don't have that much budget, so we cannot ask another Pineda, Arnold Pineda. We have to depend on.
Okay, Judith?
Covered all aspects of the Aerobic Gymnastics Asian Championships. Just additional invite to all our friends to witness this big hosting of the Philippines. Ms. Wen muna, short invite pa.
Yes, we are hoping po no, that all of you will go and support and promote our event starting today through Miss Rona kung meron po kayong mga question. And yun po, yung mga local athletes po natin, sana yung families nila, friends, will really go out of their way to support, watch, and cheer for these athletes kasi this is their chance no, to compete. Maybe this is the first time for them talaga to compete in the Asian level. So yun po. Thank you.
Maxine, yeah.
First of all, excuse me, can I thank all of you? Can you not talk? Excuse I'm talking, they're talking also there. First of all, I want to thank all of you.
Yeah.
All of you, very, very much. Because without you, the people will not know what we're doing. That's why I'm so happy that we have this PSA forum, because then the people know what's happening to the world of sports. Not only gymnastics, but all the sports. And thanks to you and all of you that are, especially my favorite one over here.
A birthday boy.
Yeah.
Birthday? Oh, birthday.
It's your birthday?
23 pa.
See. So I want to thank you very much, Judith and Randy, for hosting this. And for all of you, please guys, promote our gymnastics, this one, because it's something new. So people have to know about it. And I really thank you very much for being here today. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you very much for sharing this good news with us. So let's all troop to Tagaytay, mga taga Manila, Cavite, Batangas. Let's go to Tagaytay on August 4 to 7 for the 2026 Aerobic Gymnastics Asian Championship. This has been your PSA Sports Forum. God bless and great day, everyone.